To make a TNT duplicator, you have to find where you want the TNT duplicator to go and build up to the desired height. Next, you place a slime block like so and destroy the pillar. Then you can place 3 more slime blocks and a sticky piston. And then 4 more slime blocks like that and another piston. Next, you need to place 1 slime block there and a coral there. Then put 2 blocks out, destroy the first block, put an observer there, and then destroy the second block. You might have to rebuild that section. Then you can put a wall there and TNT underneath. And then a detector rail and a minecart there. And now you need to put pillar 2 blocks up, put an observer like so, and destroy the block. It should now start dropping TNT on everything below. If you are in survival mode and wish to disable the TNT duplicator without destroying it, you could use a bow and knock the minecart off the top, or take a flame bow and shoot the TNT. Or you could pillar up, for even 1 more block will stop it. To stop it, you can just destroy the observer on top. It should stop moving and dropping TNT.